Hello friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. As I promised you guys in my last video that next part will be coming soon on pointers concept in C. So this is the continuation of the last video as a part 2. But before starting, I should remind you that not to forget to subscribe and like the channel. I can see there are 1000 plus views on the last video but very less subscribers. So until and unless you people do not subscribe my channel, how you will get the notification of my upcoming video, right? So it is important for you guys that you must subscribe the channel, then only you will able to keep track the channel videos and keep getting the benefits from the channel. Also, you people can tell me the topics on which you want me to make videos. I will explore and come up with interesting videos in front of you people. So let's start. Well, we can see, here is a sample of code. So int a, which I have taken from the last video, as a I had assigned 1024. Okay, next I have taken int single pointer x, which is holding the address of a, int single pointer y holding the address of x, int double pointer z holding address of x, and int double pointer l holding address of a. So in line number 9, so it is a single pointer y. So single pointer y, since it is single pointer, we cannot double dereference, right? So since we cannot double dereference it, so we cannot get the value of a. So 1024, what a is holding 1024, we cannot get here. So this is the limitation of single pointer. Okay, so let's come to line number 13. Line number 13, what I am printing, address of a. So as I mentioned in my last video that a is a what? A is a variable. Since it is a variable, it will have memory location, and memory location will have address. So address of a, it will print what? Address of a. So let's see what it is printing. So it is printed address of a, correct? Let's move quickly to line number 14. What I am printing? X. X is what? Pointer, single pointer, holding address of a. So it will print what? Address of a. It will also print address of a. Let's see what it is printing. It is also printed the address of a. Same address 1010. Okay. So it is address of a. Line number 15. So what I am doing? Dereferencing to z. So z is what? Double pointer holding address of x. So if I dereference to z, so what it will print? What x is holding? X is holding address of a. So it will also print address of a. Let's see quickly what it is printing. It is printing address of a. Okay. So let's move to line number 16. I am printing double difference to z. So z I can do double difference since it is a double pointer, right? So if I do double difference, what it will print? First difference, it will print what x is holding. X is holding address of a. Second difference, what it will print? What a is holding. A is holding 1024. So it will print 1024. Let's see what it is printing. So it is printing 1024, right? So next move to line number 17. So what is in line 17? We are printing double difference to y. So y is a what? Y is a single pointer holding address of x. Since it is single pointer, we cannot do double difference, right? If I do double difference, then it will throw error, since it will reach to the location in which is invalid location. So let's see what it is printing. So 17, line number error, right? It is error. It will throw. So let's comment out. So next move quickly to line number 18. So what I am printing y. Y is what? Single pointer. So it is holding address of x. So it will give what? Address of x. So line number 18 will give address of x. Let's see what it is given. Giving address of x, correct? So next move to line number 19. I am printing z. So z is what? Z is double pointer holding address of x. Print z, then it will give address of x. So let's see what it is giving. It is giving address of x. So both address of x, line number 18 and 19. So let's move to line number 20. What I am printing? Dereferencing to y. So y is what? Y is single pointer. Dereferencing will give what? What x is holding. X is holding address of a. So it will give address of a. Line number 20 will give address of a. Let's see what it is giving. It is giving address of a, right? So next move to line number 21. What I am printing? L. So L is what? L is a double pointer holding address of a. So if I print a, L, it will give it will also give address of A, correct? So let's see what it is giving. It is also giving address of A. Okay, so let's move to line number 22. Now I'm printing dereferencing to L. So L is a dual pointer holding address of A. So if I dereference to L, it means it will give what A is holding. So A is holding 1024 values. It will give 1024. Let's see what it is giving. So output you want to be 24, right? So till here we are correct. Let's move to line number 23. What I am printing double difference to L. Since L is double pointer, we can do double difference. Double difference is valid, right? But it will not give any output. Why? Because L is holding single address of A. So if I do double difference means there is no double pointer, double address it is holding, so it will reach to the invalid location. So there will be no output, but there will be no error. Since it is a double pointer, so double difference is valid. So let's see what it is giving as an output. Correct, it is. There is no output. So till here it is correct. There is no error, but there is no output, as I said. So let's comment out first. This one. Next, move to line number 25. What I have taken triple pointer E, which is holding address of X. Since it is triple pointer, so it can hold address of single pointer, triple pointer, double pointer, quadratic pointer, multiple pointer. It is pointer can hold any type pointer, okay, address. So it can also hold constant address. So let's move to line number 27. So what I am doing first here, printing E. E is a triple pointer holding address of X. So if I print E, it will print what? Address of X. Let's see what it is printing. Address of X, correct? Okay, let's move to line number 28. What I am doing, dereferencing to E. So dereferencing to E, what it will give? What X is holding, it will give what X is holding address of A. So it will print address of A. Let's see what it is printing. It is printing address of A, correct? So till it is correct. Let's move to line 29. So double dereferencing to E. So since it is a triple pointer, we can do double difference, right? So double difference, what it will give? Single difference, it will give what X is holding. X is holding address of A. So double difference, it will give what A is holding. A is holding 1024. So it will give 1024. Let's check what is the output. So 1024, right? So it is correct. So let's move quickly to line 30. So what I am printing is triple difference to E. Since E is triple pointer, so triple difference is valid. So it will not give any error, but it will not give any output because it is holding only double address of X and address of A. So triple time difference, it will not give any address. So there will be no output. Let's see what is the expected output. Since there is no error, but no output, right? So till here this is a video. So I will show you one thing. You can see here, right? 11 months ago so these are the VS Code extensions. So I will tell you in the upcoming videos about the VS Code, how to set up and what are the important extensions which will help you in writing quick code and important extensions about these things. So before winding, I will tell you first, you people must subscribe the channel so that you will get the notifications for my upcoming videos, and comment below about your important topics on which I will come up with the videos on those topics. So till that time, bye bye.